What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick video. It's really simple. I'm just talking about fog light installations on a Subaru Impreza L model. If you have a 2.5 RS, you already have those big nice round Subaru fog lights that Subarus are known for. But if you have an L, you don't have those big fog lights. You might not have any fog lights. And I'm going to show you that your car's already pre-wired for those fog lights, so that's coming up. This right here is one of the parts that you're going to need. You can do this on the cheap. It's going to be fun and easy. I bought this 98 Impreza L model 4 years ago, and when I bought it, the guy had put aftermarket fog lights in this car and put this really ugly switch in the dash, and you don't need to do that. Does anybody not know that these are Subarus pre-wired for fog lights? They all have fog light mounts in them. So all you got to do is basically get a switch, get the harness, and you're good to go. That's it. I'm going to show you what to look for coming up right now. So we're going to go underneath the dash here. Let me get this out of the way. There it goes. So here in this dash piece here, you have these spots here. If you can get this switch off of basically any Outback Subaru or 2.5 RS or anything, it goes in this spot here, and it's got this little pink clip on here, you can see, and you'll find these wires that are already behind your dash, and in process of elimination, the gray one's going to fit in there. This is for your fog lights. They're already pre-wired into your car, so you don't need to do any crazy wiring or anything like that. And back here, if you go on this side of the fuse box, so if you look back in the fuse box right here, you'll see this one little harness right back here, if it'll focus. So you can see this one little harness right back here, the little pink one. That's the one where your fog light relay is going to go into, and there should be a clip over here to hold on to it once you get that relay installed. That's all you need to get your wiring done for the inside of the car here, and then you can hook up your fog lights. Okay, right here on the engine side of things, your wiring harness goes through the car, all again in the factory wiring harness. Right behind the driver's side headlight, we're gonna look right here. In front of the factory horn, you're gonna see a little connector. Let me show you. Right there. So this right here is the fog light wiring harness that you're gonna get off of a car at a junkyard. This guy right here, you're gonna plug into that guy right behind your driver's side taillight, and then there's gonna be that map and the diagram in the description that's gonna show you how to run this in front of your radiator. So we're gonna plug this in, I'm gonna push the button, and we should get 12 volts on the meter if everything works out. If it doesn't work out, this video doesn't exist. So it must have worked out, right? So you connect these together, you should get about 12 volts. Take a look. So these are going on my truck, but they're good for testing things out, because we know we're getting almost 12 volts and the headlights are on. So if we connect these wires here, this light should come on. Yep, there you go. Hopefully this will help you out if you're hooking something up and you won't do what the guy did before me and run some fucking wires and some janky switch into the dash and make a whole big mess. But thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you guys as always. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.